Deep below the surface, the abyss holds countless mysteries.
Helm, slow to 5 knots. Chief, intensify the scan on that contact.
This confirms it's the Jagdtiger from 45. See the distinctive road wheels.
Indeed. And the damage on the left side seems to be from the scuttling charge.
Developed in 1937, the Panzerkampfwagen IV served as the backbone of the armored divisions throughout the conflict.
We have breach. Brace for impact.
Steady as she goes. Easy now.
The pressure reading on the auxiliary systems is fluctuating too much.
The tablet confirms the anomaly, and we should recalibrate the sensor array before reassembly.
Bring it down ease now. I got the leverage right here. All right, hammer that pin in.
That's the main turret where the cannon is aimed.
Yeah,
Aimed.
it looks exactly like the ones in the history books.